Greetings from Spiaggia, Cala, Fighera, Naked Beach, FKK Nudist Beach in Cagliari. It is 21st of October 2025 and 2 p.m. It is so hot, 26 degrees Celsius in the air, and based on satellite it is 23 in the sea. I actually hiked a lot to get here and also got lost at some points, but I'm finally at the nudist beach. That was my goal to reach. Around 6 kilometers to walk from the center of Cagliari, Sardinia. Yes, Beach Adventures with Chris. We are in Sardinia, new island, the second largest island in the Mediterranean Sea, and also in Italy, after Sicily, that is. So it is actually a nudist beach, but there are also some people with swimsuits also, mostly nudists on the sides below the beautiful rocks, and the scenery, it's quite fantastic. Spiaggia, Cala, Fighera. It is very inaccessible. You need to hike to get here, and the closest public beach is Cala, around 2 kilometers in that direction. So yes, I'm in Cagliari in Sardinia and exploring the beaches, and starting off with a nudist beach. It looks magnificent indeed, and it's facing south, so you will have the sun towards you. Now let's explore a bit more on the beach and go in for a swim. Let's check out the sea. We have a very big rocks. Oh, and there is a crab also. Look at the crab. Wow, amazing. Let's try to avoid the sea creatures and not to get bitten. But yeah, Cala, Fighera, this beach. Let's go for a swim. My first ever swim in Italy, I mean in Sardinia. In Italy I have already been swimming a few times, and such a beautiful nudist beach spot indeed in Cagliari, Sardinia. It's fantastic. So I'm going to be 3 full days in Cagliari and the neighboring areas. Oh my god, the water is so salty, super salty, super salty indeed. So greetings from Spiaggia di Cala Fighera. My screen is now so salty because of the water. And yeah, that's a wrap from this nudist beach in Sardinia. Thank you so much for watching this episode, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on the channel. Beach Adventures with Chris.